y'all, it's Ariel. So I was thinking, let's make another video. So this one is about the guy that you're talking to, and a new guy. So say you got a number, and you want to know if he's single. You'll be talking, and the question to ask is, are you sure your girlfriend's not going to care that you're talking to another girl? And then you find out whether he's got a girlfriend, or if he doesn't, and easiest way to find out, and it works every single time. Never have I had it fail. So if you're talking to somebody new, and you want to find out if they're taken, ask the question. You sure your girlfriend's not going to get mad you're talking to another girl? Promise you'll always get a check. Whether it's yes or no. And see, he has a girlfriend. So be like, doesn't it? Well, you can always make a new friend. What hurts, as long as there's ain't nothing going on. But you gotta think about it. Because what if you're in her place? So, watch yourself. And if he's not taken, well, shoot, talk to him. Well, this has been Ariel. And we'll leave your comments. Let me know what you think. Alright, God bless. Bye.